Freshen up my coffee.
What's her name? Christine. She had to go to a training. Oh, she just said. She went out there to get, she ain't supposed to be doing so. Probably the next one, if it, unless it's close to time like this one.
So you'll be all right?
But I'll be back at 1:30 because it's a double docket at 1:30.
And that's
It'll should be ancillary. I don't know.
you said out there that that's. The one that he didn't pass. The blank one. No. That's what I'm saying, you know, we did, I did some copy, you don't have that good copy.
What's that?
Easy.
Oh, she's, I'm glad this is my last day. I'm in the bed. Hey,
You may come in a 2-pack, 2 big bag. When I eat them, they, make me feel.
Show him the courtroom, this is no thing.
One thing's hard to.
This is what I come to. They all look the same, but when anyone over here in this building look like this. Heirs, the judge comes out there, it's bad. But look. 3 box. Right. Only judge and second photos. Thank you.
You're welcome.
what's going on like that? What's going on like that?
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give everybody some time to get settled in here from the waiting room. And what I'm going to do while we're waiting is upload the 10 a.m. airship docket into the chat box there. So you can all download that if you like and follow along. Just have a few suggestions to make sure that you have an easy remote experience. First of all is to go ahead and double check to make sure that you're muted until your case is called. If you download the docket sheet there, you'll see that there are 3 matters on the airship docket today. So make sure that you're muted until your case is called. That'll cut down on any unintentional interruptions. And secondly, because of the number of people that are typically involved in each case, I might have 4 or 5 people in each case. Go ahead and turn your cameras off until your case is called. And what that'll do is it'll declutter the screen. It'll make it easier for everybody to interact with each other and see who's actively participating. All right, so I think we're all about ready to go. Let's go ahead and begin with the first one. This is the estate of Randolph Turner. And good morning, everybody. Let's see, we have folks here for Randolph Turner.
Yes.
Okay, hi, how are you?
Hi. Good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So I'm looking for Ezenwanyi, the attorney who's on this one. The attorney here. Let's see here. Do we have? All right. Well, let me look and see if we have Mr. Vong. Are you on the here, Mr. Vong? Well, I know I see Amy is here.
Yeah.
She's waiting for her attorney and for the ad litem, Mr. Vong. So I tell you what, Amy, what I'm going to do is they may be experiencing some kind of delay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the next case and then I'll come right back as soon as I see an attorney involved. Okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
No problem. So let's go on to the Ali Robertson matter, and that's Sydney Brown and Farah Ahmed. Well, hello, Miss Ahmed. How are you doing?
Hello, good morning, Your Honor.
Always good to see you. And good morning, Miss Brown. How are you?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you. Ms. Brown, would you like to introduce me to those who are giving testimony? And I'll just get everybody sworn in all at one time.
Will do. We are here this morning with Judge Semino. We have witnesses Betty Prince and Marilyn Fields.
Okay.
Good morning.
And then also the applicant is Miss Valerie Linton.
Okay, I have Miss Linton. I see Miss Linton. I'm looking for your witnesses here. Is one of the witnesses with Miss Linton?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then there's Marilyn Fields. Okay, so I think we have all 3 people, right? All right, very good. Good to see everybody. So I'm going to swear each of you in together at one time, and then Miss Brown and Miss Ahmed are going to have questions for each of you, okay? If you please raise your right hand. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Yeah.
All right, very good.
I do.
Thank you. All right, Miss Brown, would you like to call your first witness?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll call Marilyn Fields.
Okay. Good morning again, Miss Fields.
Morning.
May you please state your name for the record?
Marilyn Fields.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Fields. And what was your relationship to Miss Ali Roberson?
Her first lady at Little Union Missionary Baptist Church.
Are you aware that we are here for the estate of Miss Roberson?
I am.
How long did you know the decedent?
For well over 18, 20 years.
Okay. Did she have any children?
She did.
Was she married on the date of her death?
No.
Did she have any other children that were previously mentioned?
No.
Did she ever discuss a will?
Not to my knowledge.
Can you name Ms. Robertson's children?
Valerie Linton, Sherry Barnes, Sherry Baxter Barnes, and Oscar Robert Jr.
Okay. Did anyone look for a will?
I believe so.
Were you paid for your testimony today?
No, I was not.
Will you benefit from this estate?
No, I will not.
I pass the witness.
Okay, Ms. Ahmed.
Hello, Ms. Fields. How are you this morning?
I do well, thank you.
Good. I know we spoke on the phone a while back, and I have just a couple of questions. Just to reiterate, you're very close to Miss Ollie Robertson, but was there ever an occasion that she discussed anything about instructions or a will or something in case she was not well or if she passed away? Was that ever shared with you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you believe if she had a will, is that something you would have known about?
Yes,
Okay. And in terms of children, she has 3 children,
yes,
correct? Sorry. And at the time she passed away, she was not married, is that correct?
correct,
But she was married once and divorced once, correct?
correct.
Okay. And then in terms of who was living with her at the time she was passed away?
Her daughter, Valerie Linton.
Okay. Were you able to attend the funeral?
I was.
Okay. Was there a mention of an honorary daughter or honorary child named Kyria Askew? Have you heard of that name before?
I have.
Okay. Who is she?
Her stepdaughter.
Her stepdaughter. Okay. Is this someone that she adopted that you know of?
No,
Okay. And does anyone consider her as her daughter in terms of an heir?
no,
Okay. And in terms of your interest in the estate, you're saying that you have no interest in the estate and nothing was promised to you. Is that correct?
correct.
Okay. I have no further questions, Your Honor. I pass the witness.
Thank you. That was very kind to mention Kyria as an honorary daughter, by the way, I think. Okay. All right, Ms. Brown, would you like to call your next witness?
Yes, for my next witness, I'll call Betty Prince.
All right.
Ms. Prince, will you state your name for the record this morning?
Betty Prince.
Are you aware that we're here for the estate of Miss Ollie Robertson?
Yes.
And how long have you known the decedent?
Ooh, about 68 years.
What was your relationship to her?
Just a good friend.
Did she have any children?
Yes, she did.
Can you state the name of her children?
Valerie Linton, Sherry Lynn Burns, and Oscar Charles Robinson Jr.
Okay, was she married on the date of her death?
No, ma'am.
Did she have any other children that were not previously mentioned?
No, ma'am.
Did she ever discuss a will?
No, she didn't. She didn't discuss a will, but I had heard her saying that Valerie was to stay in the home.
Okay. Did anyone look for a will?
Not that I know of. Nope.
Were you paid for your testimony today?
No, ma'am.
Will you benefit from this estate?
No, ma'am.
I pass the witness. Thank you.
Ahmed?
Yes, Ms. Prince, how are you this morning?
Fine. How you doing?
Good. I'm doing great. I had a good chance to talk to you, I know, a while back.
Yes.
And I just want to ask really one question is, so Miss Robertson did not remarry, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And then she didn't present anyone during her lifetime as her husband after her first divorce, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. I have no further questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. Ms. Brown, anything further on the heirship portion?
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, let's take a look at the proposed order. Then I find that the sole heirs of Ollie Robertson are Valerie Linton and Sherry Baxter Barnes and Oscar Robertson Jr. And I'll go ahead and sign the order here and send that off to the clerk for entry. And I believe I have a FIAP here from Ms. Ahmed. I do, and this is very generous actually. And thank you so much, Ms. Ahmed, for your service. It's always appreciated. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor. And my condolences to the family. She seemed like such a wonderful lady.
Oh.
Thank you.
All right. Well, Ms. Ahmed, I don't know if you have any questions for the applicant. If not, you're free to go.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. All right, Ms. Brown, I'm ready to continue.
Okay. Now I will speak with Valerie Linton. Can you please state your name for the record?
Valerie Robinson Linton.
Okay, and what was your relationship to Miss Ollie Robertson?
I was her oldest daughter.
Okay, did Miss Robertson pass away on April 16th, 2021 in Harris County, Texas?
Yes, she did.
How old was she on the date of her death?
80.
To your knowledge, did Miss Robertson have a will?
No, she talked about doing one, but she never did a will.
Is there a necessity for an administration of Miss Robertson's estate?
Yes.
Are you seeking to be appointed as the independent administrator of Miss Robertson's estate?
Yes, I am.
Are you disqualified by law from serving as an independent administrator of Miss Robertson's estate?
No, I'm not.
Are you prepared to perform the duties as an independent administrator?
Yes, I am.
To your knowledge, does Ms. Robertson's estate consist of personal property?
Yes.
To your knowledge, is the real property secured by a mortgage?
No.
To your knowledge, was citation served and returned in accordance with Texas law?
Yes.
I can say yes to that. That's a matter of law anyway. We've already looked at that.
I passed the witness, Your Honor.
Thank you very
No
much, Mr.
further
Brown.
questions.
Okay, thank you. Let's take a look. I will grant the application for independent administration and appoint Ms. Linton as the independent administrator of her mother's estate to serve without bond. No appraisals are necessary. And I'll go ahead and send that off to the clerk for immediate entry. And what that means for you, Ms. Brown, is at least in my court, the clerk is going to process the order right now so that you can file the witness statements, the proof of death and other facts, and the executed oath all together if it's ready to go. Just give the clerk about a day to make sure that the oath is fully processed before requesting letters of administration, which should take about a day, give or take.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, Ms. Linton, I'm so sorry for your loss, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Ms. Prince, Ms. Fields, I'm sorry for your loss of a friend too. But thank you for taking time out of your day to give testimony. It was very necessary.
It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much. All
A
right.
pleasure. Thank you.
You're all free to go, or if you have nothing to do, you can stick around and watch everybody else.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I go back to work.
Okay, go back to work. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. And let's see here. Let's go back to the Turner estate. Is Inwanyi Abi ready to go? We have.
Yes, I am. Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Hi, how are you doing, Miss Abi?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm also looking for your ad litem, John Vong. Is John here? Let's see, Mr. Vong. I'm not seeing Mr. Vong. Miss Abi, I'm sorry.
Am I going to reach out to him? No, I don't see him on as well.
Okay, would you go ahead and reach out to him? And what I'll do is I'm going to go to the next one and I'll come right back. Okay.
That's fine. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Miss Abi. The next one is the Eloisa Barrera estate. And I have Mr. Mahadas, and I see that you're here. And Udo Eziamama. Hi, Mr. Mahadas. How are you doing? So go ahead and unmute yourself there so I can hear you.
Yes, I'm sorry about that, Your Honor. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you just fine. How are you doing this morning?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Doing great. And I see Mr. Eziamama is here. Good to see you again, sir.
Good to see you, sir.
It's very pleasant to see you on an uncontested matter now.
As always, sir.
All right, Mr. Mahadas, would you like to introduce me to everyone giving testimony, and I'll just get them all sworn in at one time?
Yes, Your Honor. I have three people here today, two witnesses. One is Zaira Rendon, Angelique Rendon, and the applicant, Luis Pereira.
Okay, I see Luis Barrera is here. And let's see, we're looking for the other two witnesses. Where are you? Let's see if you could unmute and start your videos for me. There's Ms. Rendon. Hi.
Hello.
All right, and we're looking for one more witness here. Who are we looking for, Mr. Mahadas? The second witness?
We have Zaira. We need Angelique.
Okay, let's see here.
I think it's on there as Albert, Your Honor. Okay, and Alba.
Yeah, oh, there she is. Okay, hi. Let's see here. Yeah, hi, Miss Alba Rendon. Are you able to hear us?
I can't hear you.
I'm sorry? Are you able to hear us?
Yes. Yes.
You can hear us? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and swear everybody in. Each of you, would you please raise your right hand to be sworn? And do each of you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Mr. Mahadas, would you like to call your first witness?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Sure.
Zaira, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm going to ask you some questions. I know you've heard these questions probably several times, but if you can just make sure you allow me to finish the question. This way the judge and his team can make sure they note the question and answers. I would appreciate it.
Yes.
First of all, can you state your name for the record?
Zaira Rendon.
Wonderful. And just in a couple of sentences, can you describe how you knew the deceased, Eloisa Barrera?
I met her through church.
And how long did you know her for approximately?
About 15 years.
And did she pass away on June 3rd, 2023?
I'm sorry?
Did she pass away on June 3rd, 2023?
2024.
2024, I'm sorry.
Yes.
That's correct, okay. And when she passed away, did she live here in Harris County?
Yes, she did.
And to the best of your knowledge, various people looked for the will, but there was no will to be found. Is that correct?
Not that I'm aware of.
And when she passed away, was she married?
Yes.
And who was she married to?
To Luis Barrera.
And that's not the same Luis we have on here. That's his father?
Correct.
Luis Salvador Barrera.
Luis
Okay.
S. Barrera.
And did she have any children?
Yes, she did.
And just to confirm, are the 4 children Luis Raul Barrera, who's on this call, Jose Pena, Cindy Pena, and Crystal Barrera?
Correct.
And do you know if Mrs. Barrera adopted or had any other children?
No.
And in terms of the answers you gave today or previously to the ad item, were you paid or otherwise compensated to give
No.
those answers?
No, sir.
And all the answers you gave today and previously, are they true and correct to
Yes.
the best of your knowledge?
Yes, correct.
Thank you. I pass the witness, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Eziamama.
Good morning, Ms. Rendon. I'm just going to follow up with a few more questions, if that's okay.
For me?
Yes,
Yes.
for you.
Okay.
Okay. So you talked a little bit about a will, but did Ms. Barrera ever discuss any kind of will with you?
No.
Okay. And you confirmed that she never adopted a child, to the best of your knowledge, correct?
Correct.
And you also confirmed that she had 2 children with her husband, Luis Barrera, correct?
Yes.
And 2 children from a prior relationship, correct?
Yes.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, do you know if her parents are still alive?
I'm sorry?
Do you know if her parents were still alive at the point?
No.
No further questions.
Okay, we're getting some feedback here. Zaira, you're not in the same room with Alba, are you?
No,
No?
no, I'm at work.
Oh, you're at work. Okay, yeah, I'm getting some feedback. That's okay. I think it's resolved. All right, Mr. Mahadas, would you like to call your next witness?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Alba, can you hear me?
She's trying to connect to
Have you
audio. I
lost
think right
Alba?
now she's not able to hear us.
Okay.
Okay.
Great, you there, Alba? Okay, wonderful. Like I was telling Zaira, I know you've heard these questions several times before and just a couple of minutes ago, but if you can allow me to go through the whole question before you answer, I would appreciate it. Can you first state your name for the record, please? Can you hear me?
My name Alba Angelica Rendon.
And how did you know the deceased Eloisa Barrera?
I know her at the church for a long time.
Can you estimate how many years?
Oh, about 16 years.
Got it. And did she pass away on June 3rd, 2024?
Yes, sir.
And when she passed away, did she live in Harris County, Texas?
Yes, sir.
And to the best of your knowledge, in terms of what you saw, what you heard, did she have a will at the time she passed away?
Oh, I don't know nothing about that. I don't know.
Okay. So as far as you know, she did not have one. And when she passed away, was she married?
I don't know. I'm not sure because she never told me nothing.
Oh no, sorry. My question was she married when she passed
yes,
away?
she was married. I can hear you. That's why I'm sorry. I don't know what happened here, but yes, she was married.
Got it. And was she married to Luis Salvador Barrera?
Yes, yes, sir.
And did she have any children?
Yeah, she has 4 children.
Got it. And were the 4 children Luis Raul Barrera, who's on this call, Jose Pena, Cindy Pena, and Crystal Barrera?
Yes. Yes.
And besides those 4, were there any other children that you know of that she had or she adopted?
No, I just know the 4 kids that she
Okay.
had.
Got it. And in terms of the answers you gave today, were you paid or otherwise compensated to give those answers?
No, no, sir.
And then in terms of the answers you gave today, as far as you know, are they truthful and correct?
I can hear the last thing, the last word.
Oh, yes. I just was asking what you just said today, as far as you know, that is true and correct? It's all correct?
Oh, yes, it's all correct.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. I pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Aziamama.
Miss Angelica Rendon, nice to talk to you and see you in person. Not in person, virtually. How are you doing today?
Hi, thank you.
Okay, I'm just gonna ask a few follow-up questions. In addition to what Mr. Mahadas just asked, I'm sorry. Okay, so did Ms. Barrera mention the will to you?
No, I never talked to her about that. I don't know.
Okay. And you testified earlier that she was married at the time she passed away, correct?
Correct.
And she was married to Luis Salvador, correct?
Yes.
And
Correct.
and two of her children, Louis and Crystal, were with her husband, surviving spouse, Mr. Salvador, correct?
Correct.
And Joe and Cindy were from a previous relationship, correct?
Correct.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, were her parents alive when she passed away?
I can hear you.
Do you know if her parents were alive when Ms. Barrera passed away?
They was married, yeah.
I said, do you know if her parents were alive?
Oh, no, her parents are not alive.
Okay. So during the period you knew her, did she disappear for a long period of time where she possibly could have had a child somewhere else?
No, I don't think so, no.
Okay, and you testified earlier that she, to the best of your knowledge, she never adopted a child or anything like that, correct?
Correct.
No further questions.
All right. Anything further for the airship portion, Mr. Mahadas?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's take a look at the number here. And Miss Brenda, yeah, there you go. Okay. All right, so we're going to, I find that the sole heirs of Eloisa Peña Barrera, I don't know why I'm getting this feedback, are the following. Her husband, Luis Salvador, and children, Luis Raul, Jose Peña, Cindy Peña, and Chris Barrera. And I'll go ahead and sign the order here, and we'll send that off for processing. And I have the ad litem fee here, Mr. Mama. Thank you so much for your service, both to the court and to this family, Mr. Mama. It's very appreciated. And I don't know if you have any questions for the applicant. If not, you're free to go, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Good to
All right.
see you again, like you
Good
said.
to see you too.
Uncontested matter.
Exactly. All right, take care.
Thank you, bye.
All right, Mr. Mahadas, would you like to call your client now for the approve up of the administration?
Yes, Your Honor. Luis, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Wonderful. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. Some will be similar to what you heard already. Please just let me finish the question so that the judge and his team can hear as well. Can you first state your name for the record?
Luis Raúl Barrera.
And you were one of the children of Eloisa Barrera, is that correct?
Correct.
And if I was to ask you the same questions that I asked Zaira and Alba, you would give the same answers, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, so I'm just going to ask you a few additional questions since we're trying to have you appointed as the administrator. Does the necessity exist for the administration of this estate?
Does a what?
Is there a reason that we need to form this estate to administer this estate? There is a reason, correct?
Yes.
And as far as you know, are you entitled to letters of administration and you are not disqualified by law? For example, you are not a felon. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And then, as far as you know, we have served a citation and returned all the documents that Texas law requires. At least that's what we've told you, what the court has told you. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And all the answers you gave here today, all the answers that we provided in the application, those are all true and correct to your knowledge, right?
Correct.
I passed the witness, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. Let's take a look at the proposed order, and I will grant the application for independent administration and appoint, excuse me, just Luis Raul Barrera as the independent administrator to serve without a bond, and appraisals are not necessary. And so there you go. You're all set. Mr. Mahadas, you can file all the documents now fully executed, and you should be able to order letters by as early as tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, as always. I really appreciate you.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Barrera, I'm very sorry for your loss, sir.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
All right, and you're all free to go now.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, take care, everyone. And next up is the Randolph Turner matter, and I have Mr. Vong is coming in now.
Okay.
So let me just move this one person out here. And all right, so Mr. Vong, I think you're here too, right? You want to go ahead and unmute and start your camera for me? There you go. Hi.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right, Miss Abi, would you like to introduce me to the folks who are giving testimony so I can get them all sworn in for you?
Yes, we have this morning, we have Mr. Carl Johnson as the witness and Miss Amy Wiswell as a witness. And Miss Revoida Dodd is related to Mr. Turner.
Okay, and let's see, who's your client in this matter?
Miss Revoida Dodd, she was just on a second ago.
She was on and she lost it. Is there a way we can be on together?
Yeah, sure, you can. Is she there with you?
Yeah, she is. She's my neighbor.
Turn your camera sideways so we have a wide view. There, that's better.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. I just lost it. I lost it off my phone.
It happens. It happens. So, Miss Abi, this is one reason why we have a prohibition of using phones for these things, is that you saw the last one, how it was very difficult to hear. And we have a large number of difficulties with that. In the future, I would ask that you please advise your witnesses and your clients not to use their phones, that they need to use a laptop, desktop, or they need to go to your office. It's very important that they do it that way, because you saw how we struggled during the last one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm going to swear everybody in. If all three of you would please raise your right hand. And do each of you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Yeah.
All right, very good. Miss Abi, would you like to call your first witness?
Yes, I will call Miss Amy Wiswell.
Yes.
Good morning, Amy.
Good
Could
morning.
you please state your name for the court records?
Amy Wiswell.
And how did you know Mr. Randolph Turner?
He was my neighbor.
And for how long did you know him?
About 19-ish years.
Okay. And how do you know Miss Revoida Dodd?
She is his sister, and she would come visit.
So about how long have you known her?
About 3-4 years.
Okay. Approximately when would you say Mr. Turner passed away, if you're aware of the date?
Oh, it's maybe a couple years.
I have about 20, yeah, I have 2023. Just wanted to refresh your memory that he
Okay.
did pass in 2023. To the best of your knowledge, was there a conversation about any will that he may have had prior to his passing?
No.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, did he have a wife prior to his passing?
No.
Were you aware of any previous marriages?
No.
Were you aware of any children that he may have had?
No.
Did he discuss any possible relations or someone else besides Ms. Dodd that may know of his estate or have access to his property?
No.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, did he have any sort of common law relationships during the time of his passing?
No.
Okay. Would you say that there was a search for a will, or are you certain that that none existed at all?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
There was no talk about anything like that.
Okay. Thank you. I'll pass the witness.
Mr. Vaughn?
Okay. Ms. Wiswell, my name is John Vaughn. I'm the attorney ad litem in this matter. Okay, a couple of questions. Did Mr. Turner adopt or take in any children to raise as his own?
No,
Okay. At the time of death, did he owe you any money?
no,
And at the time of death, did you owe him any money?
no,
And are you getting paid for your testimony today?
no.
Okay. No further questions. I pass the witness, Judge.
Ms. Sabi?
Yes, I will call Mr. Johnson.
Okay,
Second
good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Good
Can
morning.
you please let us know, for how long did you know Mr. Turner?
Since 1982,
And what was your relationship with him?
best friend.
Since 1982, were you aware of any marriages? Was Mr. Turner married at any time?
No,
Do you know if Mr. Turner had any children?
no,
Did Mr. Turner present to you that he may have had a will to manage his estate at any point during your relationship?
not that I know of. The only thing he had was insurance to pay the house off because he got my last four of my Social Security for it.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, did he have a will? That a will, or did he mention a will that may have existed for himself or for his estate?
No,
Okay. Did he have any intents, or did he adopt any children during the time that you knew him?
no.
Okay. I will pass the witness.
All right, thank you, Mr. Vaughn.
Awesome. At the time of death, did you owe Mr. Turner any money?
No,
And at the time of death, did he owe you any money?
no,
Are you getting paid for your testimony today?
no.
Further questions? Pass the witness.
Okay. Anything further on the airship, Ms. Abi?
No.
Okay, let's take a look at the proposed order then. I find that the sole heirs of Randolph Turner, or the sole heir, is his sister, who is here, Ms. Dodd, and I will sign the order, send that off. And I think I have a fee app here from Mr. Vaughn. I hope I do. Let's see here. Yes, and this is very fair. Mr. Vaughn, thank you so much for your service. It's really appreciated. Your order is signed, and I don't know if you have any questions of the applicant. If not, Mr. Vaughn, you're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you have a good day. All right, Ms. Habib, would you like to call your next witness?
Yes. I would like to call Ms. Revoida Dodd.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Dodd.
Good morning.
Would you confirm that Mr. Turner passed away on March 7th in Harris County at the age of 73?
Yes.
Not a problem.
74.
74 as of that date, okay. And can you confirm that 4 years have not elapsed since the time of his death and filing of this application? It hasn't been 4 years since 2023.
The question again?
It hasn't been 4 years since he passed.
No.
Yes, that's all. It's okay. And because he lived in Harris County, the court does have jurisdiction over it. Can you confirm that he did live in Harris County in Houston?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you confirm that he did not have any children adopted or children biologically, and there are no children that you know of?
No.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, Mr. Turner did not have any marriage relationships, common law marriages, or any spouse, anyone that could claim that they have a right to his estate as a spouse.
No.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, he did not have a will that you were aware of. He didn't mention a will in existence to you at any point.
No.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, you're not disqualified from accepting, managing his estate or taking care of his affairs at this point.
No.
Okay, thank you. That's all I have, Judge.
Okay, let's take a look at the application or the order, and I will grant the application for independent administration and appoint Ms. Dodd to be the independent administrator of her brother's estate to serve without bond. No appraisals are necessary. That's sent off. Ms. Dodd, I'm so sorry for your loss, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. And Ms. Wiswell, thank you so much for helping your neighbor out there. I'm so glad able to get there and do that. And thank you for your time. Mr. Johnson, also thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Your testimony was very necessary and helpful. Okay, Ms. Abi, you're all set. You're free to go. Just you can file everything like I was telling everybody else. Just give the clerk about a day after you file the oath to process it before you order your letters.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good to see you all.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right.
Bye.